Mike Mason around the right side for the Skyhawks. Number 43, Jordan Lucas, there to run him out of bounds for the Chiefs. Gain is good down to the Monacan 15-yard line. It'll be first down and 10 for the Skyhawks. Number 12, Mike Mason with some hard running inside for the Skyhawks. Number 30, Matthew Tinsley, along with number 4, Trey Rayvan, there to make the stop for the Chiefs.
Let's go, Chief!
Gain of about 8 on the play. Second and 2 for the Skyhawks from the Chief, 8-yard line. Number 12, Mike Mason, the ball carrier, and he fights his way inside the Chief 1-yard line.
Come on, I say!
Number 34, Hart getting out from the bottom of the stack for the Chiefs. It'll be first and goal for the Skyhawks inside the Monacan 1-yard line. And it's number 6, Aaron Fuller on the quarterback sneak for the LC Byrd touchdown. Skyhawks line it up for a 2-point conversion. Mike Mason, the ball carrier, he's brought down in the backfield by number 67, Cody Dunn. And the conversion is no good. It was 6:18 to play with regulation. Your new score is Monacan 7, LC Byrd 6. On to kick it off for the Skyhawks. Back deep for the Chiefs, number 4, Trey Raven, along with number 32, Troy Overby. Trey Raven on the return for the Chiefs. He brings it out to about the Monacan 37-yard line. Down to make the stop for the Skyhawks, number 40, Darian Dixon. First and 10 for the Chiefs from their own 37. Trey Raven takes the toss, and he takes it around the left side for the Chiefs. Number 1, Marcus Thompson, along with number 62, William Long, there to make the stop. Gain of about 4 on the play. Second down and 6 for the Chiefs. Trey Raven, the ball carrier for the Chiefs. He takes it in the middle of the Skyhawk line. There to make the stop for the Skyhawks, number 1, Marcus Thompson, along with number 12, Ike Mason. That'll move the chains. First down, Monacan.
Woo! Chief!
Trey Raven, the ball carrier for the Chiefs, over the right side. Number 90, Jermaine Rice, there to make the stop for the Skyhawks. Gain of about 4 on the play. Second down and 6 for the Chiefs. Ball spotted just inside Byrd territory. Trey Raven takes the pitch right, reverses his field back to the left side, down to inside the Skyhawk 40-yard line, where he's finally brought down by number 82, Julian Wilkins. Ball is going to be spotted at the Skyhawk 31-yard line, 1st and 10, Chiefs. Number 11, Charles Groove, keeps it around the left side for the Chiefs. There to make the stop for the Skyhawks, number 5, Mike Short, along with number 62, William Long. Timeout taken by the Skyhawks.
Let's go, Chiefs! Hold on to that ball! Throwing him all over the place. Yeah, I'm serious. Throwing him all over the place. They took him out, put it in on the plate, 8 plays.
Play resumes. It'll be second down at about 12 for the Chiefs. Ball spotted at the Skyhawk 32. Trey Raven, the ball carrier, over the right side for the Chiefs. Number 12, Mike Mason, with help from number 4, Taylor Kitts, in on the stop. Third down at about 10 for the Chiefs, from the Skyhawk 31. Number 32, Troy Overby, sweeps around the right side for the Chiefs. He's brought down by number 62, William Loing for the Skyhawks. Once again, timeout on the field, LC Byrd. Play resumes, 4th and 10 for the Chiefs from the Skyhawk 30-yard line. Timeout, Monacan.
You guys play Cosby? Count the timeouts.
Trey Raven's punt rolls out of bounds at the Skyhawk 14-yard line. They'll take it over there, 1st and 10. Number 12, Ike Mason, the ball carrier, and he's thrown down by number 67, Cody Dunn. No gain on the play. It'll be 2nd and 10 for the Skyhawks from their own 15-yard line. Timeout, Skyhawks.
In my house this weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget, folks, take a ride out to LC Byrd High School tomorrow night. Your varsity Chiefs will be out there to take on the Skyhawks in a big...
But you gotta watch timeouts.
Play resumes,
they're
2nd down and 10 for the
man.
Skyhawks from their own 15-yard line. Aaron Fuller's pass intended for number 3, Jayonte Wilson, is incomplete. Back in coverage for the Chiefs, number 16, Mason Luck, along with number 34, Hart Rainey. Third and 10 Skyhawks from their 15-yard line.
Trey.
Number 6, Aaron Fuller keeps it up the middle for the Skyhawks. A big hit made by number 4, Trey Raven for the Chiefs. First down, Byrd with the ball spotted at their 38-yard line. Aaron Fuller's pass intended for number 85, Darius Gandy, is incomplete. Number 43, Jordan Lucas in coverage for the Chiefs. Fuller's pass complete to number 40, Darian Dixon. There to make the stop for the Chiefs is number 16, Mason Luck. He had help from number 27, Austin Dunn-Ridgel. Third down and about 4 from the Skyhawk 46-yard line. Fuller's pass is intercepted by number 23, Nathaniel Tansey. There were 45 seconds to play in the ball game. Chiefs will take over 1st and 10 at their own 26-yard line. Timeout taken on the field by the Chiefs. And Charles Good takes a knee. And one more knee, and that ought to do it. And your final score tonight will be Monacan 7, LC Byrd 6. Folks, stick around for the JV game. That should be starting up in about 15 minutes. It's scheduled to kick off at 7 o'clock. So try to hang around, cheer on your JV Chiefs. Don't forget, make a run by the snack bar. I can see them from here, and they're not doing a whole lot, so make them a little busy back there. They've got barbecue, pizza, hot dogs, hot and cold drinks. Make sure you stop by and see the folks from the band boosters.
Cameron came in and says, "Where's linebacker, coach? Where's the linebacker position?" First year in playing football, really came a long way for a first-year player. Cameron is going up this next year, so I hope that you keep on progressing on the way up. Fantastic job. Played some linebackers. Another dad injury. Robbie played wonderful for us. Quarterback, he played safety, he played cornerback. Wherever we wanted him, he was awesome. He even had some interceptions in football. Very, very good. He's got a very strong arm. Keep at that. Great to have him part of the team. Gordy is Mr. Versatile. He can, what position do you want him to play? He's been there. He's played quarter, he played back. You name it, he's played it. He came prepared, and he always was polite and said, "Yes, sir, good manners." We're glad to have you part of this team. You keep that, okay?
let me just start off by saying, if you guys, you parents, don't know Miles Rivera, he's a skinny kid, he's very quiet. Miles Rivera, if you coached him last year, it took him a little bit to really come out of his shell. And I don't know what happened. I'm not going to take responsibility for it because it's all Miles. But something happened to that kid this year where he just decided he wanted to be a terrorist. And he picked his ears back and went after the kids on the field. Holy cow. This 5'9", 102-pound defensive end could hit like a freight train. And I tell you, he was really something special. I'm sorry he wasn't here tonight, but you all should let him know that we were thinking of him. He's a great kid. Nick Johnston played football this year. This was his first year playing football. He played live, and at this level, at the junior level, it's so tough because the kids, some of the kids have already played 5 years. This was his first year. Now just learning the game, getting into the three-point stance, firing off the line, and remembering the all-important snap count, that's a tall order for a kid on August 8th. We kind of expect the kids to know most of that stuff on August 8th. Well, Nick was a little bit behind the 8 ball when he started, but he caught up super fast. And that's probably why, it's probably because he's an outstanding student, a great kid. He earns the respect of not only his players, but his coaches. But this is another great kid, a great example of he knows enough about the game, he knows enough about all of the positions. We can put him in anywhere, and he does a fantastic job. Nick, I just wish you were a little bit bigger for you, just for you, because I'd like to see next year, I'd like to see you give a little bit more bruises than you take. But man, you got that blocks. When I pinned the pursuing victory with honor stickers on Carter's helmet twice this season, I think both times I said, you know, Carter's a plugger. Carter's always a kid. He's in the right spot at the right time, doing the right thing, helping his teammates. I mean, I just can't describe it. I mean, it sounds silly. It almost sounds boring. But as a coach and as a player, that is an absolute essential. This is the kind of kid that you want to have, to coach because he knows the game so well and he's ready to go. On a terrible, terrible night, Carter broke his arm. It was kind of sad that he broke his arm because I think arguably it would be considered a bad break. He broke both his radius and his ulna. And he went right from the field up into CJW to get his arm looked at. Yeah, thank you from the people at CJW. But I need to tell you parents and you kids, I need to remind you that when Carter broke his arm, he was in a lot of pain. And he never cried. He never complained. And when Coach Strader and I got to CJW to visit him, again, he was himself. He was a gentleman. The people that were pulling and prodding on his arm, and you know it hurt him. He even thanked them for looking at him.
Yeah! Yeah!
That got a third pursuing victory with honor sticker on his helmet. And I think, well, his third pass is actually on his arm. The reason we gave this to Carter is because of all of the 6 pillars of character, courage is not one of them, but it should be. Congratulations. That's right. Very early in the season, we nicknamed Hart Rainey Hart. And that's because Hart Rainey plays the game. He plays every down in practice. like it's his last play of his life. Every push-up, every sit-up we do in calisthenics, I mean, Hart is worried that he may not be able to come back out on the field and play the next game. So he is a super special kid in that regard. And if you've been around Junior Titans football this year, you know that number 74 scored with his legs, he scored with his toes, and he scored with his shoulders. I mean, maybe a record. I mean, he's got an extra point, a touchdown, and safety all in 1 year. I mean, that's unbelievable. Congratulations, Hart. Let me tell you the rest of the story about Hart Rainey. When I pinned the Pursuing Victory with Honor stickers on the back of his helmet this year, I did so, and I said, Hart, you earned this because you're a leader on the field. And leadership matters. I also, my own personal opinion of leadership is one of those situations where intelligence meets passion. Hart knows this game inside and out. He knows it back and forward, left and right. He could even coach if we asked him to. That's how well he knows the game. But he's so passionate about it, as I described. You know, the push-up, the 8th push-up out of 10, he's doing it perfectly during calisthenics. And even tonight, he had his uniform on, and he was out running around in the yard because he, you know, this was the last time he could wear his uniform before turning it in. Leadership is intelligence meeting passion, and you embody all of it. So congratulations.
Before you go, guys, Carter, would you share with everybody here you had made a split on the field? What was it? A hip pad, and a butt pad. And sorry, this one.
Just like the Mayo Clinic.
Yeah, that's right.
I always have to go after you. I think it really strikes me tonight. I'm going to lose everything. I think it really strikes me tonight. You see a bunch of children. Look at their faces. 6 years old. Getting beats all over your shirt. But if you remember, last playoff game, on the track. Byrd. Feet. They left everything they had on the field. Teammates. And they came together. They were young men. You know, these kids. You know you're going to work. Really. It gives you a glimpse of what's coming. 20 years from now, these guys will be the younger men. I see here looking around these tables with all these little faces. Goofing off, holding all this good stuff. You never guessed that these were the same group of kids dealing on that tractor. Tears in their eyes, hurt bad. Anyway. Dayton Schrader.